Code 582 on a transcript is serious. It means the IRS filed a notice of federal tax lien against your client. Here's what that means and what to do. 582 is a lien indicator. It tells you the IRS has placed a legal claim against your client's property to secure the tax debt. This affects credit, property sales, and business operations. Important distinction: a lien is not a levy. A lien is a claim on property. A levy is when the IRS actually seizes assets. Code 582 means they have claimed it, not taken it. What to look for next? Check if Code 583 appears, which means the lien was released. If your client paid the balance in full or set up a qualifying installment agreement, the IRS should release the lien within 30 days. If 582 is recent and no 583 follows, your client needs to either pay the balance, request a collection due process hearing, or negotiate an installment agreement.
Transcript Tax Monitor Pro flags lien and levy codes and tracks resolution status. Free code lookup in the description.